Here, we are multiplying binomials. This problem right here is really x plus 3 times x plus 5. It is already set up in the table. So, let's fill out the table. To get this value right here, we multiply what is above it by what is beside it. And x times x is x squared. To get this value, we multiply what is above it by what is beside it. 3 times x is 3x. This value right here is the product of what is above it and what is beside it. 5 times x is 5x. And finally, this table value is the product of what is above it and what is beside it. 5 times 3 is 15. Now we are simply putting together like terms, and terms are like by their letters or variables. There is no term like this one, so it will occur in the simplified answer. So let's put x squared right here. We are putting it first because it has the highest exponent. There is no term like this one, so we will put it in the simplified answer. And we will put it last because it has no letters. This term is like this term, and they are both positive. And in fact, all the terms are positive on this page, so we don't have to worry about negatives yet. So we add like terms, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So we will put plus 8x in the middle here. Let's move on to number 2. Let's get this table value by multiplying what is above it and what is beside it. 4x times 3x is 12x squared. This value is the product of what is above it with what is beside it. 3x times 1 is 3x. We get this value by multiplying what is above it by what is beside it. 8 times 4x is 32x. And finally, we get this value by multiplying what is above it by what is beside it. 8 times 1 is 8. Now we are simply putting together like terms, and that is very easy to do. There is no term like 12x squared, and it will be first. There is no term like 8, and it will be last. So let's put in 12x squared first and 8 last. Since 8 is positive, we put plus. Now let's put together 32x with 3x because each term has one x, and 32 plus 3 is 35x. It is positive, so we will put plus. Now see if you can do problems 3 through 6 by filling out the tables and writing the simplified results.